All right, we've got across to breaking news coming in that the Supreme Court has lauded the BMC. They've lauded the Mumbai model to curb the spread of the virus. Justice Chandrachud has said, and I quote, Bombay Municipal Corporation is doing some great work. What they are doing, how are they managing it? I understand that Maharashtra also produces oxygen, which Delhi can't do, unquote. So this is what the Supreme Court has said on the Maharashtra model, I beg your pardon, the Mumbai model. Let me cut across to Rhythm, our executive editor law, who is with me on the phone line. Rhythm, the top court lauding how the BMC has been able to contain the numbers, also giving it to them on how Maharashtra produces oxygen, but saying it for Delhi that the situation still remains worrisome in the national capital.
Suresha, very eloquently you put it. This is exactly what's happening in the Supreme Court, Suresha. The Solicitor General, in fact, said, I'm speaking as an officer of the court, and I want to tell you that the Mumbai module has worked. The cases are receding there. Why is Delhi government not able to follow the same? People cannot be running from pillar to post. He says, I'm not undermining the efforts of the Delhi government, but this is not about a political talk. This is about trying to get something happening. That's when Justice Chandrachud, who's hearing a sudden case in the COVID hearing, when the central government had rushed to the Supreme Court, said the BMC is doing great work. And I am trying to say, I understand Maharashtra produces oxygen, which Delhi can't do. But how do we manage and structure the demand for Delhi so that between today and Monday, the modalities can be worked out so that the figure of 700 MT can be reached? Justice Chandrachud said, please, as the government of India, give us some details about it. And the hearing continues where the Delhi government says, reached means borders. We only account for midnight to midnight so that the cycle can be done. The Delhi government says in the previous 3 days, the situation has slightly improved. And since yesterday, it has improved quite a bit due to consistent orders being passed. But Justice Shah and Justice Chandrachud are saying, if we draw from the experience of Bombay, it's a successful model. It can help us in Delhi. Justice Chandrachud says, ensure the benchmark can be fixed. It's observed between today and Monday. That is the next hearing. By evening also today, you can tell us how you can ensure the capacity for Delhi. He tells the central government. And the ASG starts giving out figures about how much has reached Delhi. Justice Shah then talks about reached means what. They've started to go into the nitty-gritties of how oxygen reaches the Delhi's borders and then how it goes towards the hospitals and details of that. But the Solicitor General also says there are active cases, requirements, even in Bombay, even in Delhi. We are trying to meet them. And that's when Justice Chandrachud says, yes, the Bombay model is working. Some great work is being done. And we need to see how the same can also happen in the capital.
Oh yes, absolutely, Rhythm. And let's not forget how you had also got us details of how the High Court had also pulled up the center, saying that why is it that the shortage of oxygen in Delhi continues and what the center and the Delhi government are doing towards that. So we continue to put out comprehensive details on the same.